how to create a mockup using Kittl. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a mockup on Kittl. Of course, Kittl is an all-in-one print-on-demand and design software, which you can use to design your make your designs and post them on mockups. So let's say you come and you want to design a t-shirt. You want to design a t-shirt or a hat like this. I'll just click on it and it's going to show me designs for hats down here. You can choose any of them. Let's say I want to use this design, something like this design. If not, you could create yours from scratch rather. But I'm just going to use this particular one. So this is my design. If I'm okay with it, I can go ahead with it. If not, I could edit these, add some stuff, remove some stuff. You see, we could remove these lines from here. I'm going to leave them here as they are. Then after having designed or after having finished up with your design, you can either download it here, but in our case, we want to create a mockup. So I'm going to click on mockup. And when I click on mockup, it's going to bring me to this page where it shows me the different platforms on which I can post that design. I'll just search here for hat since I want to use it on a hat. So this is a hat. I'm going to click on this particular one. And once I click on it, it's going to come here and we're going to see this design on the hat. Now I'm just going to bring it, drag the design and put it on top of here. And you see it. So you can put it anywhere. You can put it on this particular surface, or you can put it on this area here. So this is how to create a mockup. And now, when you're done, don't forget to save your design. So this is it. I'm going to go back. I'll close all of this, and you can download your mockup and use it for your Instagram or your TikTok shops or whatever it is you desire. So all in all, this is how to create a mockup using Kittl. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.